Fernando here. We're gonna go to Universal Studios in Orlando, Florida, as well as take one day to go to Clearwater Beach, Florida. Bye.
Bye.
All right, heading to Orlando, and this guy's gonna take us.
Our Uber's here.
And off we go. All right, we just made it to DFW Airport, Terminal D1. All right, walking to our gate. Do you have anything to say?
Hello, Florida?
Coming soon.
Should have taken an Uber just to get to the gate.
Yeah, we thought D1 would be the closest gate, but apparently it's the farthest gate. All right, we made it to the airplane. So now we just have to wait to go on to Orlando, Florida. All right, now we got to figure out where to go. All right, so we just landed at Orlando International Airport. First ride in Orlando. All right, we just made it to the Cabana Bay Hotel, Universal. All right, we're just gonna tour around the resort real quick just to check it out. All right, one thing to note about the location is the fact that the pool hours are kind of weird Monday through Thursday. They close at 4 p.m. and on Fridays they're open till 11 p.m. So keep that in mind if you guys are coming during the week. Arcade-orama, game-orama. Fun in the Sun Rec Center. And this must be the food court. So as you can see, a lot of seating areas, so that tells me there's probably not a lot of people staying here.
Pick up. There's a phone.
All right. If we ever need to make a phone call, we know where to come. Yep. This is where we get into our room. We got the family suite.
Dirty.
Level 3. Yeah, it's kind of dirty, but we cleaned it up yesterday a little bit. It's fine. I just want to show this clean bed. That's basically it. All right, good morning. Right now we are at the Pacifica Resort. We are going to Clearwater Beach Resort, and we're going to be spending the day there for 12 hours. We're going to take a shuttle with a Gray Line Orlando is the name of the company. Let you know how good it is or our thoughts on it once we do. All right, so this morning we had to wake up at 5:45 to get here, and we're meeting them here at this Pacifica Ballroom to get our shuttle going. We were kind of nervous walking this morning, and I'll show you the video of us walking here. It'll be a time lapse, but now we're drinking coffee, trying to wake up.
Is that the bus?
Green line for Orlando, and this is all the people on the bus, and these beautiful people right here. We just made it to Clearwater Beach. We're at Pier 60. It's really nice out here so far.
Weather's perfect.
Weather is perfect. Again, we have Pier 60 rules. No fishing before bait house. No jumping or diving. no skateboarding, no bicycles, no alcohol, no pets, but no alcohol. That's the big one right there. In other words, no fun. Alright, we found us a spot on the beach. Time to relax for a little bit. And then we'll probably get in the water, right? Yeah. Here, Pier 60 back here. In case y'all are wondering. And then the Clearwater beach back there. And our little spot right here. Alright everyone, we're here hanging out by this marina on Clearwater Beach. Trying to relax before we get some lunch. Still trying to figure out what we're gonna eat. Well, we'll see.
Because the sun's out there. It's gotta pass.
It does.
All right, guys. Well, we couldn't make it out of the rain. Say what's up, Chris.
Hey, how's it going, guys?
What's up? But we're here hanging out. We had a good dip in the beach, and now we're back in
Umbrella.
in the shade
Ella.
under the umbrella
Ella.
with the rain
Ella.
coming down.
Hey.
All right, our Clearwater beach trip is in the books. It was a good time. Now it's time for us to say goodbye. Head back to Orlando.